Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Zoha. If you have been around, you know. If you haven't, then you should subscribe to get to know. Welcome to the first ever vlog of my life. I have always wanted to do one of these, but I haven't had the chance, so I'm gonna start now. We recently, my husband and I visited Mahabaleshwar, which is a beautiful hill station in Maharashtra, India. What was I saying? Yeah, see, this is something I'm gonna have to get used to. Right. So we visited Mahabaleshwar. Now, I just thought I'll share the experience with you. We stayed at a very new place by the name of Tranquil, which is a very new hotel there, and it's very close to the market, the famous Mahabaleshwar market, which was again a treat. This is an experience for you of travel, the hill station, and the market around this time, which is sort of the decline of COVID time. And let's hope it continues that way. And also, let's get into it.
The route to Mahabaleshwar from Pune is extremely scenic and beautiful. You are not going to have a dull moment at all. Although before we left, we were met with a very horrible traffic jam. I will insert a picture of that right now. Have any of you ever felt like wherever you go, the traffic jam just follows? Because I really do. Well, anyway, the route to Mahabaleshwar just made up for the entire traffic jam. This is the ghat towards Mahabaleshwar. This as well is a very beautiful road, even though it's a little scary to look down. But we had a lot of fun. And on our way to the hotel, we had a very last moment booking for Tranquil, and we booked just a day or two, I believe, in advance, and it is the weekend. So it was very tough to get any rooms, let alone at a good hotel. This is a luxury hotel, and it's extremely beautiful, extremely scenic, and it is so peaceful here. Let me show you some of the clips inside. So they have this wonderful garden, also a pool, although not a lot of hotels have working swimming pools because of COVID, of course. This is our room, which was every bit beautiful. We had a cupboard, the restroom, and so for lunch we went to this place called Farmhouse. It's an Italian place. It has amazing food and it's a must try. Also a beautiful view. Once we got back to the hotel, I had the most magical few hours of working with this brilliant view. This was the view from our cottage. As you can see, nothing beats this. I wish my office was located here. So as you can see, we stayed in cottages or a cottage, and the hotel also has rooms inside the hotel building itself. From here we got dressed and ready to go to dinner. Dinner was at another one of these must-visit places in Mahabaleshwar. This is a resort by the name of Evershine, and they have an indoor restaurant which outsiders are also allowed to go to. And the restaurant is called, I believe, Mad House Grill or Mad Smokehouse. Yeah, I think that's what it is. And they have a buffet menu as well as an a la carte menu. The buffet had more vegetarian options, so of course we went for the a la carte. And this is the lobby area of the hotel. The restaurant had these amazing heaters since the weather was really cold. It was about 10 degrees at night. And this is the inside of the restaurant. So the next morning we went walking from our hotel to the Mahabaleshwar market for some breakfast. We sat at a Peter Donuts cafe and had some lovely early morning breakfast. As you can see, the market isn't fully functional right now. All the shops haven't opened. This was a very different time of day for me to have seen this market, because the only vendors on the street were vegetable vendors. And this is me trying to keep up with my husband's pace of walking. For me it's like a brisk walk, but for him it's like a normal walk. This is on our way back from the market. So the hotel's distance to the market is very close. It's about 10 to 15 minutes of a walk, and the market is this at this time was extremely fun. There weren't any shops open, as you can see, mainly vegetable sellers and kirana shops. But nonetheless, it was quite fun. So at our hotel, almost every other evening, there would be a bunch of monkeys. Like you can see today, they are in this person's balcony. And well, that was about it for this trip. It was a very short trip, so I didn't have a lot to show you guys, but of course I'll be back with some more. And I hope you enjoyed it. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe, and well, see you again next time.